You know what?
What?
Today's a Monday.
Woohoo!
Nah, ain't no woohoo. It's just Monday.
Why do you sound like that?
Because that's about how I'm feeling about today. It's a Monday.
Goodness, somebody has the Monday
I
blues.
do. It's bad. So I honestly, I don't really even have a show idea.
Well, then what are we going to talk about today?
Man, we just gonna chop it up.
Are we about to Seinfeld this episode?
We about to Seinfeld it up. It's a show about nothing. Let's go.
This is Mikel-Claire.
And this is Trey.
And we are the couple of entrepreneurs. We're here to share with you our journey of successes and setbacks as we enter the world of entrepreneurship now that we no longer have 9-to-5s due to the new normal of the world and the pandemic.
Join us as we race the clock to start earning money, gain consistency, and overcome self-doubts and uncertainty as we search for our voices and obtain personal and financial growth.
So are you for real? We have nothing for our idea to talk about today?
Man, I don't got anything for you.
Well, why is your mood so shady?
Because I'm old, my body hurts. I want to eat something sugary and I can't because it's the worst thing to do, and I'd rather sit and just watch TV, and I got a whole bunch of work to do. It's the Mondays.
Well, with that being said, are you going to do that, or what exactly are you planning to do today?
I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm still going to do some work. I got a laundry list of things to do. I got email sequences to do. I still got to hire our virtual assistant. I still got to do that letter. I still got other YouTube tutorials I got to finish doing. So when I looked at the list and it was like, hey, you got to come up with a show idea. Nah.
Well, I can't lie. I could have done that. You know, I could have been me who decided to look up the show idea or figure something out. But when I thought about it and adding it to my also very long task list,
Okay.
I decided I didn't want to do that either.
Oh.
So today we're just going to chit chat, I suppose.
Yeah, that's cool. Tell me about your task list so maybe mine won't seem so crazy.
Dude, I have, like you, I have to figure out how to connect my email automations.
Okay.
Some sort of word that they were throwing at me called integration. I was like, can I ask Trey about this? Because he's just going to direct me to some tutorial. And I'm like, I just would rather try at least at first to kind of fumble around and figure it out. But anyway, so I have that going on. I'm trying to deal with some freelancer people. I got my project declined for some type of policy violation that I don't even know what it is.
Evil lady.
Yeah.
You evil lady.
I wasn't even trying to do anything naughty. I was just asking for some help with some Dream 100 situations. So yeah, I got all of that. And then I have to figure out if I'm going to really try to do some doodly.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, some storyboards, some whiteboarding. So I got to add that to my list.
That sounds like fun, though.
Say what now?
I mean, it's a part of the creative process,
It's
not
still
like
work.
the logistical process.
It's still work.
Yeah, it's still work. It is.
There's a lot of time and effort that goes into some whiteboarding.
Well, and also you have to keep in mind, I'm saying it from the standpoint of somebody who's not going to be doing it.
I was about to say, you're like, oh, that sounds like fun. Sounds great. Well, why don't you partake in some doodling then?
Negative. I'm going to doodle my way on the sofa and kick my feet up.
Yeah, so literally, that's the majority of my list, and I'm sure there's some things that I'm forgetting.
Yeah. You also have to keep in mind, our lovely viewers, that we really work like nonstop, 6 days a week. We only really take like one day down, and that's a Sunday. And on that Sunday, it's our cheat day, we call it. And we eat whatever it is that we want, and drink whatever it is we want to drink, watch TV, movies, play video games, hang out, all that stuff.
Eat ice cream.
Eat tons of ice cream. But we really only get one of those days out of a 7-day week. And so when Monday hits, like today, it's just like, man, beep this.
Oh, yeah, you should have seen him trying to get through that workout, everybody.
Oh, my gosh.
It was a sight to behold. It was definitely a Monday after our cheat day workout.
But even with that being said, we do try to at least stick to, I don't know, some schedule regarding we're not going to just not do something. So here we are.
Yeah, we may not do it, but we sure will complain about it a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. We'll grumble, but stuff still gets done.
But not only that though, like we have work stuff, but then we have other obligations. Like you have a huge project that you're trying to embark on with our son.
Oh yeah. So our son is 10 and he is a very highly intelligent, high functioning child. And so for the next thing for our project that we're going to be working on together is we're going to be building a PC together because he has a project. I won't go into the details of his project because I'm not sure he wants to disclose it just yet, but it's going to require us building a PC from scratch. And I've built a computer before, built a couple of them before, but the last time I built one was like back in like 2000.
I think it was the 90s.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a long time coming. So a lot has changed. Technology has just really like gone up by leaps and bounds since the last time I've built a computer. And so have the prices. Oh my gosh. Like it's cheaper than building one, already pre-boxed from, I don't know, Walmart or Costco or wherever it is that you buy pre-boxed PCs, but it should be fun though, because one of the first things that we really enjoyed doing together was just building with Legos. And even though there's a big difference between building a computer and building Legos, there's still like some base rudimentary. There we go. Thank you, baby. There's some base rudimentary things that are still, the principles still hold true when it comes to like building something with somebody. So I'm really excited about it. He seems like he's pretty excited about it. So we're just, ordering these parts piece by piece. Hey, here's an idea for any of you out there. By the time you get this, the computer will probably be built. But just in case it's not, if you have any advice you would like to give me, please leave it in the comments and I will happily take it. And how about you? Outside of our side projects, you just got done making some amazing, beautiful cakes. How's your schedule looking for the rest of this week regarding that? And how do you feel about that schedule?
Well, the funny thing is, all of a sudden, first when the pandemic first started, obviously people were not thinking about buying cakes, especially not from home bakeries, but not from anywhere, but not from home bakeries. But now that, some people are starting to get a little more lax in their practices. I've been getting an increase in the number of cake requests that I've received. So it's been really fun, because then I get to, as you mentioned, use my creative juices once again.
Right.
But trying to fit that into an already tight schedule has been interesting.
Yeah.
I'm one of those people where if I don't plan or don't schedule things, then I'm all over the place.
Right.
So I'm thinking about cake while I'm thinking about writing emails. So I really have to kind of focus on what it is that I need to accomplish and when is the best time to get things done, because our brain shutdown that occurs. I have to do certain things before then. But my creativity I can kind of do even at like 8:00 at night if I need to. But trying to schedule some of these things all into one single solitary 24 hours can be a little exhausting.
There's just not enough time in the day. And then you pick up some of the principles, like the principle of finding the one thing that can help make all the other things easier and or, not needed. But the thing about the one thing is you don't want to do the one thing.
You don't want to do anything.
So you'll have a target that's just obvious of that you need to hit, and you'll still fill that time with other things that are nowhere near as pivotal as the target that you need to hit. So there's that.
So how are you going to get through your tasks today? And do you think that you will actually accomplish every one of them on your to-do list?
No, I doubt I'll finish all of them today, but I will do my one thing, and I just need to write it down. For me, and this is different for a lot of other people, but for me, there's something about writing things down. And if I write down that one thing that has to be done, and that's pretty much the only thing I'm going to write down, is just that one thing. And then I'll deal with the other tasks once I finish the one thing. But if I write it down, I'll get it done. And I'm going to write that down.
And it's already what time?
Ooh. Hey, why are you calling me out?
And you
like
haven't
this?
written that down yet?
I mean...
And we've already bought a computer desk for our son.
What had happened was...
And we're doing a podcast.
Hey, man.
And we've done our workout.
I'm just saying, yo, the Couple of Entrepreneurs is for the children.
We're working on it. We really are working on it. It just sometimes Mondays can be a little more can take a little more time to get things going.
Definitely takes some effort.
Oh, that's for sure.
Okay, well, I think that's a good enough place to stick a pin in it before I.
Wow.
This is it's real today. Hey, listen, better done than stalled out and nothing at all. This is just a perfect example of, just get it done. Today's episode is not pretty, but we still got it done, and I promise you that our other episodes will be of a higher quality. But it's either this or not getting anything done.
Well, and think about it this way too. Like, at least our listeners know and understand that A, we're human.
Yeah.
And B, we have days like this.
Oh, yeah.
But we still, like you said, we still push forward.
Oh yeah.
So you too.
Yeah.
Can do the same.
But don't get it twisted. Our work will get done. It's just won't be a lot of work that gets done. But it will get done. All right, everybody. We are still drinking
We are
smoothie.
drinking
That's what we
protein shake, and ain't no
Protein
smoothie.
shake.
Okay. We are
The Couple of Entrepreneurs. Please smash that subscribe button and tell your friends and family that we're not always slacking like this. And when we are talking about getting money, entrepreneurship, all the good things that help bring joy through being able to be our own boss. We will catch you on the next one. Peace out.